Windows 11 copy paste not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if the Windows 11 copy paste or the clipboard feature is not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To solve this, you can simply try to open settings and simply go to system. Once you go to system, here you will see a couple of those options where you'll also see clipboard section. So go to clipboard, and then first you can simply select clear clipboard data, right? So click on the clear option, then it will clear all of the clipboard data. Here you can see clipboard history across your device. You can also go ahead and turn on this option if you want to, and you also want to make sure that the clipboard history is currently turned on, because if this is turned off, it will not save the items to your copy and paste list. So you want to make sure to do this, and after that restart your device and hopefully it will solve the issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.